Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to slow down voice in ElevenLabs. First of all you have to do is open elevenlabs.io website and sign in with your account. Now click on text to speech to open this page. Now you can type or paste any text you want. For example, I have copied some sentences. For example, subscribe to my channel if you want to slow down. For example, I will generate the speech. It will be in normal pace.
Subscribe to my channel for unique and high-quality content you won't find elsewhere. Be part of a growing and engaged...
Now, if you want to make the speed of this sound slower, then you can add some dashes or dots in between the words. Now, I have added some dashes and dots between the words. Now, I will generate the speech once again. Let's see how it sounds like.
Subscribe to my channel, some for unique and high-quality content you won't find elsewhere. Be part of a growing and engaging community of like-minded individuals. Get regular updates with fresh and exciting videos way straight to your feed. Your support helps us create even better content just for you.
As you can see, if you add some dots between the words, then it will slow down the voice or the speed of the voice in ElevenLabs. And that's how you can slow down the voice speed in ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.